Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I've got a new product to try out today. This is the BUMBEE hand fuel transfer pump. This thing uses battery to be able to siphon things out and be able to transfer things like water, fuel, and goes at 2.4 gallons per minute. And so one touch gets you started. And so we're going to go ahead and try it out and see if we like it or not. Because it is battery powered, you're going to need 2 D batteries or 6 AA batteries. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is that 39-inch tube that they include with it. And as we pull this out, we'll open up the box. This right here is your 2D battery converter. So included in this kit comes with your pump. Then this is like the cartridge that goes in there with your batteries, and it screws in there. And so you get to choose between 2D batteries, or you can put 6 AA batteries inside of this and then feed this into the tube. It does come with a bonus hose that is 39 inches long. And I want to show you the design. It is an on-off switch, a pretty simplistic design to make it easy for you to be able to turn on and off this water pump. We're going to go ahead and grab our 6 batteries. Make sure to put them in the correct position. And then on here shows the direction that they go. So the negative will go up towards the top here. So negative, negative, and then the positive is on this end. We'll go ahead and spin this into place. Just like that, and your pump is ready to use. We're going to go ahead and take our pump and go ahead and test it out. So I have a 1 gallon of water in here. This would be similar to if you had a fish tank. We'll go in and see how long it takes to get it to come into here. And so we will go ahead and start. And I did dye this blue so you could see it easily transferring in there. And so if you had a fish tank, you could easily, just within a few seconds, get your water out and take care of your fish, get it all clean, put new water in, and so you have the ability to fill it up into a bottle or something like that. At some point you will have to tip it to make sure you get all the water. So that's 1 gallon in less than 35 seconds. That's pretty awesome. So this same feature can be used with gasoline or whatever. Only takes a few seconds to get a gallon out of whatever kind of container you have, whether it is a gas jug and you're putting into a vehicle or a fish tank or whatever. So this test worked really well. This is a pretty powerful little motor in here for just 2D batteries, or if you use the little converter, 6 AAA batteries. Overall, I think this is a fantastic gadget if this is something you're looking to be able to pump water or any kind of fluid out of. You saw it in the test. The test worked really well. Simple to use. It's 6 batteries of AA or 2D batteries, a simple on-off switch. Very simple to tell. You're going to suck the water up through here and it's going to come out of the spout, and then you also do get an extra spout with it as well. So overall, a really good price and a device. If this is something you're looking for, make sure to go down into my description and click on the link, and that will take you right to this product. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe to mcfixit. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you do have any comments, put them down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.